SOEASY solar roof hooks are key load-bearing components of photovoltaic systems, which can be used on roofs with a slope of up to 60 degrees. Delivery adopts a pre-assembly method. First, pre-fit the end clamps, middle clamps, and base guide rails to save installation time. Position the roof hooks according to the plan. Remove the roof tiles and then fix the hooks to the rafters. Be careful not to damage the roof tiles. Install the base rails onto the hooks and tighten the components with the brushless electric wrench. Install the end clamp, then fix the component with the middle clamp and splice them in sequence. A cordless electric drill and hexagon socket wrench can be used for tightening. This product is suitable for residential rooftops, industrial plants, warehouses, stadiums, etc. Installation is complete. Check each clamp and rail to ensure they are secure and compliant. The quality has passed the NZS 1170 Structural Design Standard certification, as well as wind load and structural safety performance tests. The spacing of the rail supports is designed scientifically to maximize structural stability. Same roof, different speed. That's how efficient the installation of SOEASY solar products is. Buy a 10-year warranty for your peace of mind. Contact SOEASY Solar today.